Carbon fiber filament sounds like the ultimate upgrade for stronger 3D prints. But here's the truth. Most of it won't actually make your parts stronger. It makes them stiffer and lighter, which is not the same thing. After testing 7 brands across PLA, PETG, nylon, and polycarbonate bases, the performance gaps are huge. For the best all-around performance, Prusament PC Blend Carbon Fiber topped our stiffness tests with 40% less deflection than standard polycarbonate, though you'll need an enclosed printer running at 100 degrees on the bed. If you're printing functional mechanical parts that take real abuse, MatterHackers NylonX delivered the best layer adhesion and impact resistance. And if you just want to dip your toes in without the hassle, Polymaker PolyLite PLA-CF prints exactly like regular PLA, but with noticeably better rigidity. One critical note: carbon fiber will destroy brass nozzles in under 500 grams. You absolutely need hardened steel or better, and a 0.6mm diameter works best to avoid clogs. Check the full guide at NozzleDown.com, link in the description.